God damn, man. That shit sound like motherfucking rocks. It slowed down, but it got louder, like bigger. Fuck. Them shit sound big. I don't know. Yeah, they're not huge pieces of ice, but yeah, all that. Damn. That's a pretty big piece. Like marble size. Wow. You hear that shit? Alright, that sounded really big. I don't want to get hit in the fucking eye with a goddamn fucking ice rock. Some of them shits are big. Fuck. Boo. So today was a hailstorm. Damn. The last video was like fucking almost 10 minutes long. That shit lasted almost 10 minutes. Pond should be full now. Damn, I can still hear the fucking rogue rocks. Now it's just raining. Damn. Like this here, then it must be fucking going fucking end of the world in the spring. Let's go for a ride. No. Fuck, I love where I live, man. I just do. Woke up enough time to fucking get ready and fucking be out here before it started. I was in this fucking camper when it started. Damn. Tonight's probably gonna be a fucking show. Make sure I get it all on video. Every fucking second of it. glad you motherfuckers is here with me to witness whatever fucking happens. I'm alone, but I'm not, I guess. I don't know. Not like a live or anything. Still. Video or it didn't motherfucking happen, right? Everything we do now is like never been done before. Because it's 2023, we have fucking technologies. The fucking recorders in the fucking palms of our hands. I got zapped by lightning right now. You motherfuckers would fucking be able to hear my death. And see it for a split second. I know this fucking camper is probably like the best fucking thing that's ever fucking happened to me next to my wife. And that guitar. No, for real, it's fucking awesome. It's like you could be outside, but not be outside. A weather station. Slash place to get fucked up. What's better than a fucking thunderstorm? A thunderstorm fucking while you're high as shit. Faded out. Man, they dumped a bunch of hail, man. That shit is fucking everywhere. It is melting, though, because it's not cold. It's fucking August, and it looks like snow. Alright, I gotta call that bitch. Medicaid. What the fuck now? The poor little hummingbirds. I hope they use the birdhouse. There's shelter in there. How do hummingbirds take refuge from being hit in the head with basically boulders? They're peeing. Peas to us, but those are fucking like boulders to a hummingbird. That was pretty impressive. But nothing like what I got last night. Nobody fucking cared about that shit either, so I don't know what to say about this fucking world. You fuckers didn't hear that? Ooh, I saw a hummingbird, I think. You're crazy. Maybe I'm just blind. I don't think it was a hummingbird. What I got last night sounded like a fucking giant fell over. Like that really did sound like that. Like, damn. It totally puts into focus a little bit more like how people back in previous, every fucking generation from here in the past, but it probably got a lot more the further back you go, like why they believe in God and shit. Like that sounded like a motherfucker fell over, a giant. Like, but there's no such fucking thing. There's no such thing as giants. But if you heard that, and it's, you know, you don't have computers, you don't have the information, we don't know anything about anything, and then you heard that, yeah, I could see how people would be like, oh God, the gods. Like, well, yeah, it sounded pretty fucking impressive. But we know things now, and I know that wasn't a giant. know that God's not real. We made that up because back then we didn't know anything. When you have shit like that, then yeah, I can get it. I get it. But I don't get how it could be 2023 and there's still people fucking that believe in fucking fairy tales. There's no Jolly Green Giant. There's no such thing. It's not, if that was made up. But that shit I heard last night sounded like that motherfucker tripped over something and fell. It's fucking crazy. That was cool. I'm glad I got it on video and now it's on YouTube so that it can be there forever. Even though it wasn't the most impressive, but it was pretty goddamn impressive. But that's why I'm fucking filming right now, because you never know when something's gonna fucking be, noteworthy, I guess. There was a flash, so this could be good, but probably not. Well, the hummingbirds came back, so. God damn, what the fuck? Oh. See if we can get some fucking humming head fucking video. I guess if they come out, that means it's starting to let up. Can they sense on the weekend? And again, where the fuck do they take refuge? I'm gonna guess maybe in the trees underneath little branches. Little to us, but there's a roof for them. Oh, this could be good. Not bad. I guess that's it. Hey, little lady. Here's to land on the other flower, little. Oh wow, that was lightning. The little babies are so cute. I don't know if I even get any of that on there. But what do you say we go check out the motherfucking pond? Should we? Alright. Let's go see what up at the pond. I guess before that shit starts up again. Damn. It's like fucking muddy kind of everywhere. Yeah. That fucking water's still fucking that shit. Actively. We do have a creek, motherfucker. Yeah. I'm gonna go up this way. It's fucking squishy everywhere. I don't want to fucking end up with fucking mud all over my fucking shoes. Alright, fucking, I don't think any of the hail fucking was quite big enough to like destroy the fucking panel. Back on wood. Shit's gonna be muddy as fuck too. Damn, I can't wait to see what fucking hole that I'm digging looks like. Not bad. Could have been boomier, but whatever. As long as I don't get struck by fucking lightning. Yeah, look at that motherfucker. Ugh. You full now? Alright, I gotta be careful because there's mud everywhere. Alright, in fact, I'm probably just gonna stand up down here. Yeah, alright. I'm just, that's all fucking muddy. Look at that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hold the camera. So let's just do that. Damn, this fucker is full. God damn. That was just the hail that did that. Water. Just the rain, I guess. Fuck yeah. Alright. Let's walk back and hope we don't get hit by lightning, but we catch something on fucking video. That's amazing. Yeah, I ran the wires from the panel this way because I got the extensions. So now, when it's sunny, it should get sunny in the morning and during the daytime. Take refuge back in the fucking campground where there's warmth and shelter from whatever is gonna fall out of the fucking sky. That looks like snow, man. That is crazy. Fucking August. The motherfucker wearing the upside down cross. Watch me not get struck by lightning because, you know, there's no such thing as God. No, because I know that won't happen. Well, now, would you look at that? Alright. There. I guess it kind of counts as pond time, no? Whatever. Feels good. It's fucking August. Fucking motherfuckers is fucking bad heat and shit everywhere. But it's fucking cold over here. There's fucking ice on the ground. That was cool. The little hummingbird. Fucking plural. Well, I'm glad I came back. Now it's fit in the rain. Hard, probably. Just doesn't get any better than this. Not for me. High as fuck. Still fucking got half a fucking cone smoke out. It hailed like crazy. I got to experience every second of it. Violent as it was. Or was not. But good. Stay that way. I don't want fucking... Like, you want hardcore big-ass hail, but you don't. Because that's going to mean broken shit. If it gets big enough, that could be holes in the roof. That's the longest I've ever seen it hail. They're like rolled up water reserves. Everywhere they land and then they melt, it just turns to water. So a lot of the shit that fell already melted. Damn. Let's see what the fucking temperature is. It says it is 74, 73 or 74 roughly. That's warm enough. So cute. Again. Looks like a young hummingbird. A little bird. That's so cute. It's even cuter when you realize their beaks open, like, you know, regular birds. Well, they are regular birds, but they're not. They're extraordinary birds. They're hungry birds, too, man. I filled that fucking thing up yesterday. So cute. It's just a little birdie. Drinking up all the motherfucking food. You little shit. It's so cute. She has it all to herself. I think that's a female. Just because I didn't see like the ruby color on the throat. Yeah, I think I will stop this video now. Started out with some crazy ass fucking hail. Yeah. Hit up the pond right fast. Y'all saw it. So, later on.